Okay, here we go. Okay.
Baba.
Press pause gently. Gentle. Okay. All right. Get our boards out here and flip this over. Finish up one lesson. Probably start another one. All right. Green bean. Back to the green bean casserole. Okay. Growing up. Oh, we're talking about the young man with autism that is becoming a cook. Chase Bailey. Okay. Growing up, Chase found food overwhelming. Overwhelming. The sight, smell, feel, and taste of almost everything put on his plate inflamed INFLAMED his senses. I didn't like how it looked, he said. I didn't like how it smelled. This began to change when he started watching cooking shows with his grandfather. Seeing people enjoy the food they were eating got his wheels turning. Wheels, WHEELS. Within 6 months, he started asking to try some of the foods he saw on the shows, like Cooking Channel's Eat Street and Food Network's Chopped. Okay. Back up a little bit. Very nice. Okay, our first spelling word is overwhelming. Okay. Hold on. I'm going to clean this off. Overwhelming. O and over. E and E and R and down. Down. W and H and E and L and M and I and N and middle. G. Overwhelming. I think we got that right. Okay. Inflamed. Okay. Inflamed. I and N and F and L and A and up. M and E and D. Very good. Inflamed. Very nice. Next one is wheels. Wheels. W and close. No, in the middle. No. Wheels. W and no. H and E and E and no. L and S. Good job. Wheels. Okay. Let's do some sentences. Let's answer some questions. Four senses were mentioned in this paragraph. Name one. One of your senses. Hold on. One of your senses. S and
D. S.
Over. I and S I
D.
G and over.
D.
S I G H N
O T.
T. Sight. Sight.
So.
Who did Chase watch cooking shows with? Okay.
D.
G and no.
B.
R and
A.
A and
N.
N and
D.
D and
E.
no. F and A and
D.
D and
S.
H and
E.
E and R. His grandfather. Good job. Yeah, you need a high five. How long did it take for Chase to ask to try some new foods? Six.
N.
And
N.
O and N and
W.
G
T.
and
S.
H and
S.
good job. 6 months. Very good. Let's see what else we got here. Name one of the TV channels mentioned. All right, we'll do my favorite one. You know the one I like to watch, Mark? F and
N.
over.
O.
O and O and
D.
D and food
N.
and
N.
E and
D.
E and
W.
and
N.
close.
O.
O and R and oh, it's on this one. Over.
Good.
K. Food Network. Very nice. I love the Food Network. Name one of the titles of the shows Chase enjoyed watching. All right. Second one he mentioned.
C.
C and
D.
over.
N.
H and
B.
over.
O.
O and
P.
E and
P.
E and
E.
E and
R.
up.
D.
T. Chopped. Good job. All right, let's read some more. Soon enough, Chase was whipping up his own recipes on his YouTube YOUTUBE show. Chase in your face. And your is spelled Y-U-R. Chase in your face. By 2015, he had nearly 30 episodes online. Was the most challenging part of learning to cook? Chase says that his biggest challenge was learning how to fry chicken while talking to the camera. CAMERA. Is there a baby chicken out? Hear one crying. Learning to fry chicken while talking to the camera. Ah, there it is. There it says, Chase in your face. Oh, that's a cookbook he made. We'll have to look up his YouTube videos. Okay, let's do some words. First word is challenge.
C.
E and H and A. Good job. Good correction. And L and L and E and over. N and
D.
G and bottom. Good job. Challenge. You did good on that one. Episode. Next word is episode. The end. Close. The end. I end. S end. Over. O end. The end. Good job. This episode. All right. I think we've done good enough on these. Let's move on to this single board where we do these questions. What internet site does Chase's show appear on? I think it's your favorite one. Over, Y end. O end. U end. T end. U end. Up. The end. Good job, YouTube. Very nice. Mark loves watching YouTube. Right? What is the name of his show? Over. C and. No. You got C and. Close. Slow down. Okay. C and. Down. No. H and. A and. Over. S and. Chase. I and. In. Down. All the way down. Y and. U and. Good job looking. Chase in your. Up. F and. A and. C and. Good job. Chase in your face. Very good, Mark. Better? Is that good enough? Okay. How many episodes were posted in 2015? 3 and 30. Yep. 3, 0. 30. E and. Up. E and. I and. S and. O and. D and. E and. No. S. Very good. 30 episodes. Woo! What was Chase cooking in his biggest challenge when he had trouble looking at the camera? F and. R and. Over. I and. E and. Fried. C and. H and. I and. E and. Over. Down. A and. E and. Fried. N. Good job. Fried chicken. Making fried chicken. Let's see. What was he trying to look at while he was trying to cook? I just mentioned this. C and. E and. M and. E and. R and. Over. Good job, camera. Trying to look at the camera. Okay. Would you like to watch Chase in your face? C-I-N-S. Would you like to watch Chase in your face? Mark, I don't think you're spelling anything. Yes or no? Oh. We'll still yes then. Look down. Y-N. E-N-S. Yes. Very good. You would like to watch Chase in your face? Okay. Time for a new lesson. Now, I found a bunch of little lessons like that I really like. So, let's see what we got to pick from. We have one about a waterfall, Circus du Soleil. Can't even pronounce that. And
Water.
Like the water? Okay. This one's about senses, which we just talked about some senses in that one. The disappearing waterfall. All right. the largest waterfall in Ecuador, Ecuador, known as the San Rafael, Sanrafael waterfall, has vanished after a sinkhole swallowed part of its water source. Surrounded by vegetation, vegetation, and rare butterflies, this was one of the most beautiful landscapes in Ecuador. And it says to spell Ecuador again, Ecuador. I already spelled it once. Okay. Let's spell water. W-N-A-N. Let's look up. Water. W-A. W-A. Over. T-N. T-N. R. Water. Now we're going to spell fall. F-N-A-N-L-N-L. Very nice. You know how to spell waterfall. I know you know. What vanished off the face of the earth in this lesson? W-N-A-N-T-N-T-N. Over. R-N. F-N. L-O-N. The waterfall. Good job. Good correction too. What is the name of this waterfall we're talking about today? S-N-A-N. That N. San. Over. R-N-A-N. Above that. F-N. A-N. E-N. L. Good job. San Rafael. I guess that's how you say it. Rafael. Sounds like it should be more Spanish sounding, but it sounds, I don't know. What country is the waterfall in? E-N. Over. E-N. U-N. A. Oops. A-N. Over. E-N. Down. Over. O-N. R. Ecuador. And you know what? I had an aunt that went to Ecuador as a missionary for a couple years. Okay, Ecuador. Let's see what else is here. What swallowed the water source? Okay. S-N-I-N-N-N. Over. A-N. Yeah. H-N. Over, all the way over. Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry. Okay. We have S-I-N-K-H. Down. Up. O-N-L-N-E. Sinkhole. Good job. In what? That already. They asked what country did the waterfall exist. We already said it was in. What country is the waterfall in? These are like the same questions. Name one thing that surrounded the waterfall. Do you remember one thing that surrounded the waterfall? Over one. So the E-N, U-N, T-N, 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 R-N, over. F-N, L-N, all the way. Y. Good job, butterfly. Butterfly and vegetation. Okay.